Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be making a tornado in a jar. Now, does anyone know what a tornado is? A tornado is a type of storm with rotating winds, and what that means is that the wind goes in circular motion just like this. And actually, tornadoes have the strongest winds on Earth. So if you have never seen a tornado before or want to see it in a jar, keep watching this video and we will be making a tornado in a jar that you can see at the end of this video. So what you'll need for this experiment is a jar filled up with water until there is 1 or 2 inches left from the top. You're going to need some vinegar, some soap, and measuring spoons. So to start, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of dish soap and pour it into my jar. I'm just going to pour it right on in. And then you are going to take 1 teaspoon of vinegar and pour it into the jar as well. And the vinegar will actually help with the bubbles. So it'll help make the soap a little less bubbly, so it'll be easier to see the tornado in our jar. And that is all you need to make your tornado in a jar. But my friends, do you see a tornado yet? No, because first we need to mix it together, put the lid on, and then act like the wind. So I'm going to mix my tornado. I'm going to mix all the ingredients that we need to make our tornado. And then I'm going to put the lid on very tightly because we want to make sure not to spill anywhere. So tighten that lid, and then we have to act like the rotating wind. So that means we need to go in a circular motion. So we're going to spin this jar all around in a circular motion. And my friends, you can see our tornado in a jar. So the faster and longer you spin your jar, the bigger and longer your tornado will go. And you'll notice sometimes the tornado is very big and sometimes it's a little bit slow because remember, tornadoes are made from the strongest winds on Earth, which means we really need to spin our jar. So do it very fast and you can see your tornado. Now my friends, it might be a little bit hard to see on the screen, so if you have a jar at home with some dish soap and vinegar, you can try this activity at home and then you'll be able to see your own tornado in your very own jar at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and that you have fun doing this experiment at home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!